Hello kids, learn the colors first. This is orange color, yellow color, red color, green color, blue color, purple color, pink color and chocolate color. Now let's learn the shapes. This is star. And heart. Now square. Circle. Hexagon and triangle. Now put the colors. Yellow color, parrot green color, pink color, and green color, purple color, and orange color, blue color, chocolate color, orange color, pink color, green color and chocolate color. This is star, heart, square, circle, hexagon and triangle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.